What's up, guys? Welcome back to Corduroy Hills. It's Eric here, and I don't know if it's too dark, but yeah, I just decided this lighting's a little better. But yeah, anyways, today I got Dertbag $50 mystery bag unboxing. So I don't know, I seen on their Instagram that they were doing these, so I was like, all right, like I'm gonna buy it, and this would be a cool video to do. So I got that. It was $50 plus tax, so I forgot exactly how much it was, but you know, it was, I got it for a good price. So let's see what they put in this mystery box or mystery bag. All right, let's do this. All right, so this is it right here. It's pretty sick. You see how they have the backwards, obviously, but you see how they have that Dertbag. Oh, they ship this pretty fast, to be honest. Like pretty fast. So yeah, let's open this. This one's falling. But yeah, they shipped it pretty fast. It literally got here in like probably like 3 days, so that's not bad at all. I'm actually happy because Dertbag is a brand that I've known for a really long time, and I feel like Dertbag is still really underrated. But they're a great overall brand. I love like the stuff they do. It's just sick, you know. So yeah, let's open this. Ooh. Oh, this is fire. This is fire. I mean, gloves. Look at that. Dertbag. That's so sick, dude. Look at that with their logo. Sick. I'm gonna try them on. See if they fit. Yeah. Look at this. This is so sick. Dude, honestly, like, it's getting really cold, so these gloves actually come in handy, low-key. I'm gonna start wearing these. I don't even care. These are sick, though. I'm gonna wear these for the rest of the video. Look at this. This is fire. Dertbag review. What else we got? I think we got like 4 stuff. I don't know. Might be on 3. A Dertbag shirt. This is sick. How do you open this? Okay, I'm gonna probably have to take the gloves off. Alright. I'm just opening too. This size large. Yo, this is fire. Look at that. You don't see that? You don't see that, guys? This is Dertbag. Kind of like a chrome, like metallic. I'm gonna try them on too so y'all can see how they fit me. This shirt is fire. It fits pretty cool. Look at that. Dertbag. Let's go. This is a sick piece. Really sick. I love the color. I just love how it looks too. Like if you see it in person, it looks like more chromy. If that's even a word. That shit's sick though. That's cool. Yeah, it fits really good too. Look at that. Right now for the next item, let's see. I think it's the last item. What is this? Oh, this is a tag. This is a sick tag. That's cool. I think this is the last item. There's only 3 stuff, but it's cool. It's cool regardless, you know? It's a little box. Ooh, what is this? Yo, this is fire, dude. See, like, I really like just like, so obviously I like, you know, what do you call it? I like shirts with designs and everything, but what I always like love and like, I'm like just, my eyes always go to is just basic like essential stuff. Like this is so sick. Look, Dertbag long sleeve. This is crazy, dude. It's the same color, low key, I think. Yeah, it's really cute. Yeah, it's like the same color. This one's a little more like earth tone though. This is fire. Damn, this is fire. I'm gonna try it on. Shirt fits amazing. Honestly, this is probably like one of my favorite shirts I have now, to be honest. Look at this. Look at that. Dude, you got the Dertbag tag right there. Oh, y'all could see that. This shirt fits so sick. Damn. I'm gonna keep this on. Yo, honestly, that was a really good, for $50 I got 2 shirts and some gloves. That's cool, you know. I for sure thought it was worth it. This shirt, this one, the gloves. These gloves are actually sick just to have, to be honest. If I ever do, I don't know, I'll use them one day for something. This tag is sick too though. Yeah, I honestly like it. That was a good $50 mystery box, mystery bag. You know, this is gonna be a short video. I say that about every video that I do, and the other ones are not short, they're like 10-minute videos. But I don't know, I just have the tendency to say that. But yeah, this is actually gonna be a short video because, you know, there's only 3 items, but I thought, honestly, like, they're worth it. They're really sick. I honestly can't wait till they drop more because I'm gonna buy more. Dertbag is just a sick brand. I love Dertbag. Sick, underrated brand. Y'all should really go check them out. I'm gonna put their Instagram right here. But yeah, don't sleep on Dertbag. Oh, my voice cracked. Don't sleep on Dertbag because they're sick. They got stuff. Pretty sure this was stuff from their most recent drop, if I'm not mistaken, I think. But yeah, like I said, this is a short video. You know, I got lots of other videos coming. I just wanted to do this so, you know, just something different on the channel, just a little unboxing. But yeah, I liked it. Personally, it's worth it. Whenever they drop more bags, more mystery bags, I will for sure cop. And hopefully they do, like, you know, like $100. You know, I want to see more. Throw in some of these. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. It's been Eric, Corduroy Hills, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.